Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, a unique sort of a topic I will share with yourself as well. School leaders here. The question is, who is school leaders here? I think in the present generation, they need a different sort of the teaching here. Not you can say the traditional methods. They need the non-traditional method, especially in technology and different sort of things that they need in the classroom. So I will share with you who is the school leaders here. School leaders play a critical role in shaping culture and school culture and student success. Yeah, both are very important in the school culture and the student success. All depend on the school environment. They are example for managing staff, students, and the capital effectively. Their leadership directly impact on the overall performance of the educational institution. Students' performance depends on the school's environment and the classroom environment and the teacher's performance. Yeah, first of all, I will discuss with you the role, rules, and the responsibility. What's the roles and responsibility of the school leaders here? School leaders set the vision and goals for their schools. They oversee the curriculum development, staff recruitment, and the student discipline here. The student discipline, that's very important, SOPs here. That's to follow the student here. They foster a safe and inclusive environment for all members of the school community. Everyone is, you can say, the responsible for school environment here. Now I will little bit explain to you the key qualities of the effective school leaders. Skills are great importance here. Skills play a great role, especially school leaders. So strong communication skill, that's very, very important. You can say play the key role to understanding between the students and the teachers. Or vital of in engaging stakeholders. Adaptability helps the leaders navigate the changing educational policies and challenges. That's very important. Empathy enables leaders to understand and addresses the needs of the students and the staff. Yeah. So now we move to the leadership style in school. Teacher style, body language, I think is a great student can get a lot of, you can say, the inspiration from the students, inspirations and the motivation from the students, teacher's life and teacher's personality. Transformational leaders inspire and motivate staff to achieve their best. Servant leadership, pay attention on the supporting and the serving the needs of the others. Cooperative leadership involves staff and student in the decision-making process. These all create the, you can say, the positive environment in the school's life. So schools leaders, I mean that teachers, they can play the vital role in the starting I have told you. So that's very important. We move to the next you can say the key core quality of the school leaders. So the challenges faced by the school leaders are balancing administrative duties with the instructional leadership can be the demanding addressing diverse students, need the required you can say the separated strategies, managing limited resources and funding limitation is a common challenge here. You have the limited resources in the school, but how you can utilize it now, how you can apply it now, how you coordinate it, how you can say the get together work there. The different sort of the strategies we must apply in the schooling. Strategies for the effective school leadership here, a little bit we discuss it now. Building strong team through the professional development and collaboration. One word I will share with you, the one is the cooperation, the second is collaboration. These two words when joined, you can make the team work. Promoting a positive school culture centered in respect and the high expectation, utilizing data to inform decision making and improve students' outcome. Yeah, when you teachers, you can say the gather and work together, like you can say you can say like a think tank, definitely student can move it now. The impact of the school leadership. Yeah, what is the impact of the school leadership on the life of the students, on the study of the students? Yeah. Effective leadership can improve the academic achievements across the school. They improve the teacher retention and the job satisfaction positively. Strong leadership foster community engagement and parental involvement. Yeah, little bit about the triangle, the students, parents, and the teacher. Yeah, they make a triangle complete now. In this way, what happened? The student can improve and uplift now. That's the way. that's the way of the progress, students' progress. Yeah. Everything depends on the school leaders. Okay? Parental, that's very important. Very, very important. We move to the developing future school leaders here. Mentorship programs help them prepare as inspiring. You can say inspire, aspiring. Yeah, both of you can say do it now. The leaders for the future roles. Leadership training workshops expand the skills and the knowledge. Yeah, both things very important. You first have the skills and knowledge to how to transfer and adapt your teaching methodology, how you can apply in the classroom. Encouraging reflective practice for ongoing professional growth. That's most important thing here. Trends in school leadership here. Who is trendsetter? I think the teacher is the one with the best trendsetter person. It can become the role model there. You can say the trendsetter in the class here. How do you behave within the class? How to engage with the students? How do you can say catch the attention of the students here? How to motivate it now? So that's very important because in the present era there are different of the you can say gadgets now. The students are you can say the move to them. And what happened? So the teachers has you can say like that empty-handed and only the book dependent on the book they haven't extra knowledge and especially in its own subject. So that's very, very difficult to you can say the tackle the student and impress the student here. So highlighting on the comprehensive leadership that values diversity and justice. Yeah, combination of technology to enhance the communication and instructions. Focus on the social emotional learning and student well-being. So you always work with the students and you look at the shortcomings of the students and note it down and one by one you can discuss with their parents. In this way, what happens? The student you can grab the students and you can improve the students. The conclusion and we get the final thoughts here. Effective school leaders are vital for creating successful learning environment here. That depend all it's all depend on the teacher here. How they are prepared their lecture, how they have a grip on the you can say their subject, and everything is depend on the teacher there. Non-stop learning and variations are key to effective leadership. Investigating the leadership development benefits in entire school societies. Yeah, everything depends on you can say the teachers' knowledge here. I feel it now. The teacher has a grip on the knowledge and their own subject and some extra knowledge. You can say that you can feel the fragments and you can say the Saturday from the teachers. But it depends on how you much have the passion for this field. Teaching is like a passion here, no doubt about it. Teaching is you can say the motivational thing. Teacher create the next teacher. Yeah, teacher create the next society. So everything is dependent on the you can say the teacher's shoulders here. So that's my topic today. School leaders, I think, is a very important, the burning issue in the present era, especially in the my era. So I want to discuss with you, and I feel it's very important here. So tell me about your comments and the opinions. What do you think about the school leaders? So that's my you can say some you can say my words of my heart here. So I hope you like it now, and you will also share with me your opinions. Thank you very much, and God bless you.